Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect ClickFunnels to MailChimp. All right. So first up in here under ClickFunnels, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Workspace Settings. All right. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on Integrations. Click and wait for it to load. And once it loads, you're going to want to go to the search function and click on it. Now go ahead and type in MailChimp. As you can see here, we have MailChimp and MailChimp Transactional. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the regular MailChimp right here. It's going to open up a pop-up window where you can go ahead and log in with using your username and password. Right? I'm just going to use my email right here. Hit on login. Wait for it to load. All right. Once it loads, go ahead and scroll down. Hit on allow. And it's now verifying access to our account. All right. Just wait for it. As you can see here, it is now connected. There you have it. Now, in your case, it might be asking an API key. All you have to do is just go ahead over to your MailChimp account right here at the top right. Click on your profile or profile name, and then go ahead over to profile. Okay. Click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, in these tabs, just click on extras. All right. And here, as you can see, we have API keys. Just click on it. Now scroll down and just click on create a key. Generate. But before you click on generate, create a name for your API. For example, ClickFunnels and MailChimp. Generate. There you go. Just copy the clipboard and paste it to the pop-up if needed. That's basically how you connect ClickFunnels to MailChimp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.